All right, let's go ahead and add a page to our site. And pages and posts are different. And let me show you, first of all, what the site is actually looking like. So here's my home page. And since I'm logged in, I've got these elements here at the top. And what I want to do is add a page. So you see my regular navigation here. And I'm going to add a page underneath About, just so you can get an idea of how to put this together. So I'll come over to the left hand side, select Page, and I will select Add New. I'm just going to call this About To, or this could be your speakers page, etc. You've got visual and you have HTML. HTML is for your coding. Visual is so you can use this in the What You See Is What You Get editor. Makes it a lot easier. So I'm just typing something here. And then if I want to add a photo, I can click this little button right here. It looked like a camera. I can come in and select files from my hard drive. So let's say that I come here to grab this photo, upload, it'll crunch it. It just means that it's trying to make it a little bit smaller. I can center this or I can make it left, but I'm just going to insert into post. And there's that photo. Now you also see this when you install your version of WordPress, you're not going to have this. This is a plugin. And so that won't be there. So don't go, hey, wait a minute, I don't have that. And then in the podcast episode, this is another plugin that I'm going to be showing you later when we get to podcast as part of building your platform. But we'll come back to that as well. So on page attributes, parent directory, I'm going to put this under About. Or if I want it to be in the main area, I can just have it no parent. I'm going to put it under the About section. And default template. I can use any template that I have available. And these are the templates that came with my particular theme that I'm using. I can use a feature page, full width page, but I like the default, so I'm going to click Publish. And we can go and view the page. So you see what it looks like. And this About To shows up right here. Now if I go back to my home page and I refresh this, notice that it's still not showing up in my navigation. So what I want to do is come in and go to Menus. Menus. And this shows my main menu. Most recent pages, here is About To. I'm going to click that. I'll add it to the menu. Then I'm just going to select it and drag it up under About. And I'm going to slide it to the right just a bit. I'll now save menu. Let's go back to the main site. And see, now it is right underneath. Go back to my menus. And notice this is the main menus, what I've created, menu name, and this is under my primary navigation. I'm going to select and remove because I do not want to keep that in my menu. And now I've removed it and it's gone. Alright, that's it for this video tutorial showing you how to create your first page, which is not a post. Your posts are used overall for people to read articles and get more fluid information, whereas your pages tend to be static content that you feel is important enough to go in your navigation bar.